Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to enable profanity filter in VK app. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in order to enable the profanity filter, you have to follow these steps. First, open the VK app on your phone and log into your account. Then, tap on your profile at the top left corner. Once you're on your profile, tap on the three dots located in the top corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, click on Settings to continue. Now, inside the Settings page, scroll down until you find the App Settings option and tap on it. After opening App Settings, scroll down again and look for the Profanity Filter option. When you see it, tap on it to open the filter settings. Here, you'll see a toggle button. Simply tap on the toggle to enable the Profanity filter. Once it's turned on, VK will automatically filter out offensive or inappropriate language from your content and comments, making your experience more clean and safe. And that's it. So that's basically how you can enable profanity filter in VK app. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.